Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica and I love to do a lot of dollar store oriented makeup and shopping content. So if you don't really like to spend the high prices of luxury or high-end makeup, and even the drugstore nowadays is starting, prices are starting to creep up and your budget is the dollar store, this is definitely the channel for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also that bell notification, that way you don't miss a future upload. Become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. So today is a makeup and beauty haul from Family Dollar. I recently did one from the Dollar General. I will have that link down below along with other similar relevant content to this. That way if you enjoy this video, you can go binge watch more content like this. Of course, I shop at the Dollar Tree very often for makeup, and so I decided to kind of poke my head into the Family Dollar. It had been a minute since I had gone to one, and let's just say I bought some stuff. So anyways, there will be at some point a full face of this makeup coming soon, but until then, I wanted to show you what I purchased. And yeah, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So all in all, after tax, I spent about $40. There's a couple like non-makeup items that I want to just get out of the way. The first is I needed some baby wipes. So this is a 56 count of these Baby Soft baby wipes. They're for sensitive skin. They're fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, alcohol-free, and I think they had another kind as well. I usually try to get the sensitive or unscented. So I paid $1.85 for these, so I just needed to stock up on some wipes. And normally I get them at CVS, but I just happened to be in the Dollar Tree that day, ran out that morning, and so just picked them up while I was there. And then this next product, before we get into the makeup, I am so excited about, you guys. I thought this was discontinued, and it might actually be, but Family Dollar had them, and I was so excited. So I bought all they had. Me and my friend, okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Me and my friend have always loved this body spray. It's from the set, the Body Fantasies. It's part of the Sexiest Fantasies line. Remember that? So anyway, we love this scent right here, Fireworks. And I have not seen this in years. You used to be able to find it like everywhere, CVS, Walmart. And Walmart still sells like some stuff in this packaging, like the one that's like a love spell and another one, but the Fireworks I have not seen in years. I think I've even looked on the internet. This is the 3.4 ounce. They were $3.25. I bought all four that they had because I bought some for my friend too, because me and my friend Samantha both really, really love this. So I have one that I've already got in my bag for her. I've got one over by my perfume, and then these are the other two. So I bought four of these. So at $3.25 times four, a good portion of this receipt that I have is this. It would have been great if they had the big bottles, but I'm gonna be checking some of the other Family Dollars. There's literally like 3 other like Family Dollars in my area. So I am going to be looking. It's kind of a sweet smell. It's kind of strong. I don't think they make it anymore, and it doesn't smell or look bad. So I am so excited. This was just like this made my day when I went to the Family Dollar. So now into the makeup. All of these products I bought are LA Colors. And if you've been on my channel, you know I go to the Dollar Tree a lot and get a lot of the Dollar Tree LA Colors makeup. And recently I picked up a bunch from Dollar General as well. So they had some different products at Family Dollar, so I was super excited, bought enough for a full face. So the first thing was this LA Colors, was this Wet to Dry Plus Concealer. So it's apparently a lightweight formula. It's basically a foundation and a concealer. It's in the shade Light. And see, you get the makeup, kind of that old school cream to powder makeup, and the concealer stick. And honestly, I don't have a lot of high hopes for this, to be honest. This was $2.50. So it's like Dollar Tree prices for each. But I had actually already purchased a different foundation from LA Colors from Dollar General, and I wanted to try something different. So we're just gonna give it a try. It was a 2-pack, so I mean, if this is okay, it comes with a little sponge. And you guys remember, I remember when I was in high school, this like wet to dry makeup was everything. It was everything. I think like Max Factor, CoverGirl. We called it Cover Up back in the day, not foundation. And we would sit there and just all day long just reapply it to our faces. I don't know, maybe that was just like a 90s kid thing. But yeah, this kind of like formula was all the rage. It came with this little sponge, and it kind of smells familiar too. So it's gonna be a little light probably for me, you guys. Like seriously, it very well may look horrible, but that's what I'm here for. I'm here to carry the burden of trying some of these products. And then there is the concealer. Actually, that doesn't look half bad, to be completely honest. So yeah, we will definitely be trying these. really soon. And then I paid $6.25 for this, and I felt like this kind of covered my highlighter and blush. So this is the LA Colors I Love Makeup Glow Palette. And they actually had like a bronzer one as well. So here's what it looks like. You get 8 shades. So here's a couple of the highlighter shades and a couple of the blush shades. The blush shades especially seem really, really creamy, and you got just different shades, and I really love the color tones, and you got like a gold highlighter, a couple champagne, one pink. So I thought that palette could kill 2 birds with 1 stone, so definitely very excited to try it. Then I have the LA Colors Setting Powder. It mattifies and sets makeup. It's in Universal Translucent. Then I have a bronzer in the same packaging. This is the LA Colors Bronzer. This is in Beach Babe. The setting powder is really, really, oh, I see. Okay, I was thinking this is like a really big waste of like packaging, but look, it actually comes with a really nice puff, like one of the nice kind of more deluxe puffs. Sometimes you get those little styrofoam ones, and it actually has a mirror in it as well. That's actually super cute. But that powder is really, really creamy. I just put some on my hand, and LA Colors always has really nice bronzers and blushes. So there's some of the bronzer, really nice shade. And yeah, so I'm super excited to try. Like I said, I'm usually never disappointed with their blushes or powders or their bronzers. Kind of another random item, I kind of forgot about this. We'll just get it out of the way. I like to do like my own like gel nails where I use the LED light and stuff. And I actually have an additive that I bought on Amazon that I can add to my regular nail polishes to make them cure, like make them turn gel. So I thought this was a beautiful nail color, so I'm gonna be doing this here real soon. This is the LA Colors Metal Nail Polish. This is in the shade Sublime. So yeah, I thought it was really pretty. Just picked it up and impulsively bought it. And that was $2. And each of these were $3 as well. So I'm really excited to try this as well. You know, if you, again, broken record, I love my LA Colors eyebrow pencil from the Dollar Tree. But this is the LA Colors Brow Pen. And this creates, it says hair-like strokes. This is in dark brown. And it's got one of those types of brushes right there. And I'm sure if they had a lighter shade, I would have gotten it. This might have been all that they had. I can't really remember. But I've never really tried a product like this. So yeah, it's got like the little teeth on it. So let's, oh wow. like I said, I've never used a product like this. I'm really excited. But look at that. It's got those little like lines to make it look like individual hairs. So I'm super excited about this. I paid $1 for that. So if this is good, that's gonna be a great find at the Family Dollar. Because you can pay some good money for those types of products. And I'm using a makeup remover wipe, and it really took a lot for it to kind of come off, so I have a feeling it's gonna stay put really well. So that might be one of those like gems. Then I'm gonna try another LA Colors mascara. This one here, I believe, was $4. This is in black. It's the Biggie Lash Tubing Mascara. It says it's got luxurious length, so we will see. So if it's a tubing mascara, I'm expecting it to be kind of like, do you ever wear that? I don't even know if they make it anymore. That L'Oreal, I'll put a picture up here if I find it. I want to say it was called like Double Extend, and when you would take it off at night, it came out in little like tubes, like little strings. I wonder if this is going to do that, so we will definitely see. I've yet to find an LA Colors mascara that I like. But I do like the metallic pink tube. I think that is awesome. Let's do, and it's kind of a heavy tube. So the brush looks awesome. I bought a LA Colors mascara at the Dollar General, and I didn't really like the brush just at first glance. So we will see. This, you know, maybe this for $4, maybe it's decent, maybe it's good. If I just wear my natural lashes, I like the IT Tight Line Primer, and I like the Essence mascara. But I'm always trying to find something cheaper. So then this is the eyeshadow palette that I picked up. This is the LA Colors 12 color eyeshadow palette. This is in Glamorous. So this is what the outside of the packaging looks like. And this was $1.50. Of course, it comes with a brush that's useless. But look at that. I thought that was a super interesting color story. You get that pop of blue. You get your white and black, which I love. You got like a silver, pop of green. I just think it's like, for $1.50, that is like a colorful palette and a neutral palette all in one. So let's just kind of see what these colors look like. That blue though, y'all, it's so pretty. So here's a couple of the shades. You know, sometimes with the LA Colors shadow, it can be a little hit or miss. I find, of course, like a damp brush works wonders. So we'll just kind of see what $1.50 can buy you at the Family Dollar. Then I got this LA Colors lip liner pencil. This is in the shade Smooth Plum. They had several different colors. Here is the shade. It is not a very gliding pencil. It's kind of like your old school, like, it looks like a colored pencil, like from back in the day. But I love the shade. The shade's really nice. We'll definitely see. We'll definitely see how it performs. Then I've got this LA Colors Lip Plumper. It says it's clear, but it tints pink. It says it enhances lips with a warm, tingling sensation. And then it moisturizes, so it's in a tube, unlike the ones that you get at the Dollar Tree that are in like, have like the wand, you know? So it says that it's in clearly pink, so it goes on clear and then kind of turns pink. This was $2. And you know, from the Dollar Tree, if you haven't tried the, has a different smell than the plumping glosses or any of the lip products from the Dollar Tree. So it's definitely not the same lip plumper. I can't describe what it smells like. I'm gonna just have to see. Kind of has like a spicy smell. But there it is. It has not turned pink on my hand, but it might need to wait till my lips. And it's kind of, it seems like it might be a little sticky, but that is very typical of some lip plumping products. So I'll be very, very excited. My idea was that I would use the lip liner and then use this and kind of create a lip color. So super curious and excited to try this. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely go check out my other content. And before you do, make sure you like this video, share this video with anybody you think may enjoy it as well. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell so you don't miss future content. Go binge watch some other content, and I will see you next time.